One of my client who is a narcissistic abuse survivor asked me that please ma'am give me solution to come out of this, and that person is struggling since 10 years to come out of that. And irony is that person is still staying with his spouse and trying to struggle to get out of the emotional traumas that the narcissist person has sowed in the person. Hi, I'm Vishaka, counselor, healer, and a life coach. As I mentioned in my earlier video, I'm going to bring episodes on narcissistic abuse survivor, जो भी problems, all the problems that they face. I'm going to bring one by one EFT episodes on healing for the changes or the traumas that a narcissistic abuse survivor goes through. So, while I was talking to this client, that client has been taking sessions from me since 4 months, and I have been sensing that there was something which the person is trying to hide from me. So I asked him that why are you hiding things? Are you hiding something basically? So that person then slowly opened up and told me that he has been taking psychology sessions, online sessions and healing sessions since last 4 to 5 years for coming out of this emotional and mental issues that are caused due to narcissistic abuse. His wife is narcissist, and unfortunately that person has certain situations where he is not capable of leaving the environment and he has to survive there. He does not have the courage to leave the overall situation from his life. He is not able to take himself away from that life. Unfortunately, what happens, guys, is that narcissistic abuse is so traumatic that the person loses entire self-control or entire confidence within him that he or she can survive on their own. So it becomes very difficult to take decision and move away from the narcissist. And narcissists are so smart that they will change their strategy immediately the moment they understand that you are moving away. So you have to be very strong. And believe me, guys, as a psychologist, I would like to tell you that living with narcissist and healing yourself is never going to happen. Yes, I can challenge it and tell you that a healed person can stay with a narcissist with sane mind. It is practically not possible. So if you have to live and survive with a peaceful mind and stay a beautiful life moving ahead, you have to take harsh decisions, because narcissists are strategic. They are not someone who will change, because they don't consider themselves that they have any problem. They are so high in emotions and they feel so pride about themselves that they would never change. They will find the prey, new prey, and they will attack someone else, but they would never change. They will change the person, but they themselves would never change. So keeping aside all the talking, I'm here to tell you the healing practices of EFT, where a narcissistic abuse survivor goes through different problems. And today I'm bringing you an EFT practice of low self-worth, where someone is going through low self-worth, how the EFT practice helps someone to eradicate low self-worth and get the confidence back in their lives. So let us start. We will do it in few rounds, so you will have to be with me, bear with me, and focus on the tapping practices as well as all the words that I'm going to say. I'm going to say it the way you can repeat behind me and tap with me. Okay, so let us not waste more time and directly focus on the EFT practice for the narcissistic abuse survivor, where the person is feeling, आप जब low self worth feel कर रहे हो तो उससे बाहर निकलने के लिए आपको ये practice करनी है. Okay, let's start. Even though I feel very low, I feel miserable, I feel that I'm no worth, I still forgive myself, choose to love and accept myself the way I am. This low worth, this low self-worth, this low worth, this low self-worth, this low self-worth, I'm not feeling very good about myself. I have this feeling about me that I'm not of any use. Everyone dictates my life always. I feel worthless. I feel all the people around me are always dictating me, guiding me, telling me what's right, what's not right. I feel at times that I have no brains. I feel that I do not have anything in me which can create difference in my life or anyone else's life. I cannot create difference anymore for anything. My life feels absolutely worthless. I feel so low. I always ask people, what is good, what is bad, what is good for me, what should I do? Because the entire confidence in me is squeezed out. I feel that I am not capable of taking any decisions in my life. If they are not happy, people around me are not happy, I feel I am the reason. Because I have no work for myself, I feel that I am the reason for every mishap around me. I feel drained out with all these emotions. I don't feel like working. I feel so low. It pulls me back. I'm not able to take any decision. I feel in future as well I won't be able to take any decisions in my life. I feel absolutely nothing. I feel totally worthless. I feel that I'm good for nothing. I feel very worthless. I feel sometimes giving up on my life, I feel miserable. When we say all these words, it will help us to accept the fact that yes, we are feeling low self-worth. Let us move to the second round. But before that, you have to ask yourself that before doing this round, the way low self-worth, that feeling was impacting you, has it reduced to the scale from 1 to 10? So before the round that we did of EFT, ask yourself how much in the scale was the feeling on the higher side. And now after this round, how much lower side of the scale you're feeling. If you're still feeling on the higher side of the scale like 8 or 9, reverse this video, repeat this round and do as much as you can the tapping and repeat the words behind me. Check the scale. We call it as SUDS, subjective. So go back and repeat the rounds with me and then ask yourself that how much is the intensity of your emotions. Are you there where you have accepted that the low self-worth is impacting you? If the emotions and the scale of impact has reduced from 5, is it 3 or 2 or 4, then you can move to next round. Let us move to the next round where we create that confidence in ourselves that low self-worth is something because of the external things happening to you, and you can remove, you have the power and capability to remove that low self-worth and bring back the confidence in your life with the practice of EFT. So this round will help you to gain the confidence that you can work on yourself. Let us start. Though I feel low and this feeling is very bad, I still choose to forgive, love and accept myself. I know I have good things around me which are supporting me, my survival. I know I do not need to feel self-worth low on the lower side. I should not be feeling worthless, and I am the creator of my life. I need to accept that. These external things should not be impacting me anymore because I have taken control of my life. I have all the resources to take control of my life, create my life with new energy, fresh energy. Though this process where I can create my own self-worth, I know I can do it now. I should start looking at the brighter side of my life, things that I have, resources that I have. I have my body, my hands, my feet, my brain, my heart, everything is working. I'm so grateful about it. And I should start taking everything around me for my use to improve my confidence. I need to create something, creation of new things, any art form or any sport. It will help me to bring back my confidence, to elevate my self-worth. No one lives a perfect life. I know that very well. Yet, I can bring the difference in my life. I can create my own life. I know that I'm worth living this life. I have all the right to live peacefully and calmly. Repeat this round a couple of more times. Believe me, right now I am feeling so confident and so beautiful after repeating this round. You will all be there. Ask yourself again on the scale of 1 to 10 how you're feeling. Not good on the 10 side of the scale and better on the lower side of the scale. Let us move to the round 3 where we get the confidence, use our confidence to create our life with fresh and new energy. Yes. So let's start this round. This is round 3 and it will help you to bring back all your confidence. So whenever, before completing this round, remember whenever you are feeling low self-worth, come back to this video and do these rounds with me. Repeat the rounds. The more you repeat the rounds, you'll feel better. Let's start the round 3. I have done some good things in my life and I absolutely love and accept myself for that. When I was doing those things, I always felt good, worthwhile. Now that I have got the confidence in me that I can create my life with new energy, fresh energy, now I can invest and get involved in my interest areas, any creative ideas. This will help me to bring back my confidence. The piece of art which I will create, which I am going to create, it will bring back my worth. I'll be feeling worthwhile. I'll get my confidence back. This is such a beautiful feeling. Thinking about the confidence is back in me. It's such a beautiful feeling I'm getting. I'm right now feeling so peaceful, so calm, so confident. I feel this world is made for me. I'm made for this world. I can create the difference in my life. I can create the difference in all the people around. I'm a giver. I've always been a giver. If I can give so generously, how can I be the bad person? How can I feel that I'm good for nothing? I'm all the worth for everything that is around me. I have all the resources which can create my life. I need not depend on others for the creation of the life that I expect or I envision. I'm not dependent on anyone for my existence. I can take charge of my life very courageously, and I can do whatever I want in the optimistic way, the vision that I carry for myself. I love myself. I absolutely love myself. I feel worthwhile. I feel confident again. I feel that I can create everything around me, which gives me peaceful and calm life. I feel absolutely amazing. I'm the best person. God is always with me. I am the winner. This is my day. Every second, everything around me works in my best interest. I take charge of my life and I forgive myself for all the past packages. I would not say much about it now. Experience this with me. Whenever you feel low, come to this video and repeat the practices. You will feel fantastic, guys. I hope this helps. Let us meet in the next video. Keep tuning. Happy healing, everyone.